Esi ile jamaa ya jana. Jana mali. Mimi sijaa jana. Sio ile ya jana.
Between December 2018 and February this year 2019, on the first date, the accused obtained Kenya shillings 114,000 from the complainant Elizabeth Wangeshi Karaja to secure a job for her daughter, namely Sipora Mudhoni. He later disappeared and they switched off his phone.
Ngimunengera 114 ajirite arutaga wira na station ya Citizen ngejani akondwarira mwana Dubai no ndaigana kuhingia undu ucio ya twacirianaga ni ahoririe thimu na atanahoria ndamuhuragira karega kuoya riu ira ndiraigua ri igoti-ini ndiroka nigetha ngerie kana niguona kihoto giako.